Hack it yourself. Meow?
Hello, parents, grandparents, and guardians of our most valuable. Childhood is a mixture of wonder, laughter, and growth. But in this beautiful journey, safety is a cornerstone. Today, we're going to show you exactly how to weave a safety net that covers everything from deep conversations to child-proofing spaces they inhabit the most, but also share some suggestions on how to help this topic evolve from an event instead to a healthy, ongoing discussion. Let's dive in. Educating your child on safety tips. People danger. It's crucial to emphasize that potential threats aren't only from unknown individuals. Sometimes, acquaintances or familiar faces may cross boundaries, so it's essential to be alert and aware. Safe words, a unique word, a code between you and your child, can be an emergency signal. This discreet word can offer a safety net, especially when words might otherwise fail them. Safe spaces. Every neighborhood has those friendly zones, be it a trusted neighbor's house or a known local store. Help them identify these zones, providing an assurance of a haven nearby. Emergency numbers. Numbers can be fun when paired with a tune. Turn essential contacts into a catchy song, ensuring they remember when it matters most. Yell and tell. Their voice is a tool, powerful and loud. Teach them the value of attracting attention in threatening situations and always reporting any unease to a trusted adult. No secrets policy. Building trust at home means nurturing an environment where they feel confident sharing anything, knowing it will be valued and addressed. Online safety. The digital realm is vast. Emphasize the importance of being cautious, not sharing personal details, and being selective about online friendships. Body autonomy. Every child has the right to their personal space. They should know they can decline any touch or interaction that makes them uncomfortable. Assembling your emergency kit. Child ID and info card. This card is a quick reference in emergencies. Updated regularly, it's a beacon for vital information when seconds count. Fingerprinting fun. Fingerprinting, while vital for safety, can be an engaging activity. It serves dual purposes, safety and bonding. DNA swabs. Quick cheek swabs can provide invaluable genetic information. Store them securely in a paper bag, ensuring they're ready if ever needed. Voice and personality snapshot. A candid recording offers more than just a voice. It paints a picture of their personality, quirks, and joys. Comforting keepsakes. Familiar items offer comfort. Including a cherished toy or blanket can provide solace during unsettling times. Current hair sample. A hair lock is a DNA goldmine. Store it carefully in a paper bag, ensuring it's available and pristine for any potential needs. Clothing swatch. Freshly worn clothes hold their unique scent. Stored properly, it can assist in search efforts, especially with trained canines. Contact list. Emergencies require clarity. A bold, clear list of essential numbers can be a lifeline in chaotic situations. Child-proofing your home. Corner guards. Kids are always on the move, and sharp furniture corners are hazards. Cushion guards are small investments with significant returns in preventing potential accidents. Secure heavy items. Kids are curious climbers. Ensure heavy furniture, like bookcases, is anchored to prevent any dangerous toppling incidents. Lock away toxins. Everyday household items can pose risks. Store cleaning agents and potentially toxic plants securely, ensuring they remain out of reach. Electrical safety. Inquisitive fingers love to explore. Socket covers and cord organizers are must-haves to keep those little digits safe from electrical surprises. Stair safety. Stairs can be challenging terrains for tiny feet. Install safety gates at both ends, ensuring they navigate without tumbles. Window grills and balcony safety. High places attract attention. Ensure windows have grills and balconies have secure railings, reducing risks of falls. Water safety. Pools, bathtubs, or even buckets can pose drowning risks. Always supervise water play and consider door alarms for pool areas. Cabinet locks. Curiosity can lead them to explore cabinets. Child-proof locks ensure they don't access potentially harmful items. Child-proofing your vehicles. Seat safety. Proper car seats save lives. Regularly check them for wear and tear, ensuring they're age-appropriate and correctly installed. Window and door locks. Children love to fidget and explore. Engage child safety locks, making sure they remain safe throughout the journey. Trunk safety. Trunks are intriguing but can be dangerous. Teach them the risks and ensure they're familiar with emergency release mechanisms. Temperature awareness. Temperatures inside parked vehicles can soar or plummet rapidly. Always be vigilant, ensuring no child is ever left behind, even for a moment. Clear rear view. Ensure the rear view is unobstructed, giving you a clear line of sight to any tiny pedestrians around your vehicle. Locks and alarms. Ensure your vehicle is always locked when parked, preventing curious explorers from entering unsupervised. Keep loose items secure. In motion, loose items can become projectiles. Ensure everything's securely stowed away. Garage safety. Garages hold numerous hazards. Keep them off limits and ensure all dangerous tools and chemicals are securely stored. Regular checks and conversations. Kit refresh. As kids grow, their needs evolve. Set a reminder to update the safety kit biannually, ensuring it remains relevant and effective. Safety narratives. Bedtime stories can be tools for lessons. Integrate safety themes, making learning a fun, nightly ritual. Empower, don't scare, balance is key. While educating them on risks, always maintain a positive and empowering tone. Role-playing fun, acting out scenarios can cement safety lessons. Through these playful enactments, they can internalize crucial lessons. Routine conversations, regularly touch base on their feelings, concerns, or any new situations they've encountered. Stay updated, new risks emerge as the world evolves. Stay updated on safety recommendations, ensuring you're always a step ahead. Feedback loop, encourage them to share feedback on your safety measures, incorporating their insights and concerns. Celebrate safety wins, recognize and celebrate when they make safe choices, reinforcing positive behaviors. Finally, remember safety is a journey, not a destination. Each step you take is a stride towards a more secure world for your child. Dive into these guidelines, set up your DIY safety spaces, and remember, you've got this. If you found this guide valuable, gently smash that like button, share with fellow parents and guardians, and subscribe for more while checking the bell so you won't miss our newest episodes. Together, we can create a world where every day is a safe adventure. Keep soaring, Super Guardians. Thanks for watching.